What a good YouTube, it's your boy Jasoneditzz back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do Madden 22 or Madden 21 thumbnails. It's pretty easy, as you guys can see. It doesn't take that long, especially on your phone. It takes like 5-10 minutes.
I'm looking through my DMs for a good pick.
It's really up to you, the person who makes it. I do it really sloppy, really quick. I can do way better, but I rush it. But it's between this one. I'm still deciding which one, but let's get to it. Alright, so here we go. So first you want to do is you want to go on Safari. You want to search, cool red background. Like a cool red background, or maybe a cool GFX background. But go for a cool red background because you're gonna get the same background as the one I use. Just search it, click on images, and click anyone you like. I don't know about this one. Nah, this one ain't good. Looking for a good one, Oh yeah, I spot it. I'm taking this one. While it's live, it's going live. Okay. Alright, so now that you have it, go to PixArt. PIC. There you go. Now what you want to do next is so while it's loading up, you want to search up, click top right, click search. Now search thumbnail. You see the search bar right there. You want to click on it, click free images, search thumbnail. This thumbnail, just to get the size. You'll get the size. You see the one right there. I'm gonna click on the Fortnite one. Click add image. Scroll till you see add image, and then add your red background. Make it big as hell so everyone can see it. Just make it big like this. Yeah, that's good enough. Now what you want to do is add your photo, your cutout of your whatever. Like, let me go save it real quick. So he messaged me a picture. Which one I'm going for? I'm probably gonna go for the red one. So what he does, he sent me this. Hold up, my phone buggy a little bit. So what you want to do, click on the image, top right, click on the three dots, scroll down, save photo. You want to do the same with the other photo he sent you. Boom, scroll down, save photo. Alright, so after the photos is saved, just go click add photos, add the photos you just saved, and then click on cutout. And then just outline the thing you want to cut out. Outline it like this. Easy as pie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom. Now I want to click on the stripe. You see? Click on preview, so it shows you what it's gonna look like. Looks good. I'm gonna say save. I'm gonna click on border, white border. Put it like a nice border on. Color, make it white. Maybe a little bit smaller border, and boom, looks good. Now I'm gonna do the same with the other image. Click on cutout, cut it out. Boom, 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 cut it out like this. Cut the other one out. Outline it. Just outline it. Outlining it is pretty easy. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. While I'm cutting it out, please like and subscribe while you add it. So now, I see something I can fix up. Easy fix. You just click on restore and just fix that corner up. I see some little bit purple. Man, it's not gonna be perfect because of the circle, but that's okay. You can fix it if you want to take the time. I'm just doing this for the video to hurry up with it. I don't want it to be like a 15-minute video. Alright, so here we go. You just rotate it a little bit. And how the cool part comes. Let me just look how it looks. How do I make the other one? Hold up, that's a little bit too far. So this is what it looks like. Alright, I know what it looks like. I'm gonna make it a little bit different this time. Maybe a little bit better. I don't know. Up to you. Up to me, I guess. So after you found a nice place to put it, you want to go click on stickers. Stickers is the most important. You see arrow right there. Boom. Click on the U filter. Boom, and make it a color I like. Pink, yeah, because you don't want it to look red, so it blends in, so nobody's gonna see it. I'll put a border on it. Make the border white. White makes it pop out more. You'll see at the end results. Now click on. Now you want to search shock face. Just click shock face. I already used it, so I don't have to search it. It's right there. Make the border white. It makes it pop out. You'll see. Just wait for it. You'll see. Make it a little bit smaller, like this. Boom. Go to recent. I already used these. With this, if you want this, just search up GFX, and this will pop up first thing. Now click on the layers. Move it down, down, down. Just a little bit upwards. You'll see why. Now, yeah, this is pretty cool. This part right here is pretty cool. Boom. It makes it look good. You know if you know. And now you want to search Madden. Just search up Madden, and you'll see a Madden 22 thing right there. And what stickers do you have for Madden? Not much, it looks like. But you want to click on the Madden right there. Put on the top right, top left. Put on the top left corner, and that should be it. Hold up, one more thing. Click on FX. Click on HDR. Alright, man. Thanks for watching. You guys are good and everything. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and see you guys for the next video, I guess.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's